Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video we will discuss Squarespace versus Shopify for e-commerce. Which platform is better? Hey there entrepreneurs, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share and like the video. First up, let's talk about the pros of Shopify. This platform has revolutionized the e-commerce game for business of all sizes. Number one pros is easy of use. Shopify offers a user-friendly interface with intuitive tools that make setting up and managing your online store a breeze. Whether you're a tech guru or a newbie, Shopify has got you covered. Next, let's talk about scalability. Shopify grows with your business, whether you're just starting out or experiencing rapid growth. Shopify's robust infrastructure can handle it all. Plus, it offers a wide range of customizable themes and apps to suit your evolving needs. Now, let's talk about payment processing. Shopify provides seamless integration with multiple payment gateways, allowing you to accept payments from customers around the globe surely. And of course, we can't forget about customer support. Shopify offers 24/7 customer support via chat, email, and phone, ensuring that help is always just a click away whenever you encounter any issues. Now, let's flip the coin and explore some of the cons of Shopify. While it's an incredible platform, it's not without its drawbacks. Firstly, let's talk about cost. While Shopify does offer various pricing plans to suit different budgets, the cost can add up, especially when you factor in transaction fees, app subscription, and other add-ons. Next, we have customization limitations. While Shopify does provide a wide range of themes and apps for customization, some users may find the platform's design limitations restrictive, especially if they have specific design requirements. Lastly, discuss dependency. As with any third-party platform, there's always a level of dependency on Shopify. While this isn't necessarily a con for everyone, some businesses may feel uneasy relying on a single platform for their e-commerce operation. About Squarespace. Unlike Substack, Squarespace is a website builder that offers a wide range of features beyond just newsletters. With Squarespace, you can create stunning websites for your business, portfolio, or online store. Squarespace is known for its sleek designs and intuitive drag-and-drop editor, making it easy for anyone to build a professional-looking website without any coding skills. Plus, Squarespace offers integrated e-commerce tools, SEO optimization, and analytical to help you grow your online presence. And if you're looking for a comprehensive solution for your online presence, including a website and newsletters, Squarespace could be the better choice. Well, it's undeniably one of the leading e-commerce platforms on the market. It's essential to weigh these factors carefully to determine if it's the right fit for your business. We hope this video shed some light on Shopify's strengths and weaknesses. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, share and like the video. Until next time.